Okay guys, how do you reset the PC? So step-by-step guide in this tutorial, how do you reset your PC? The start icon in your PC, you want to see you have a start icon in your PC. Just give a right click on that start icon and then you want to choose setting. Inside setting, you're going to find update and security. So you're going to choose and click on this update and security. Inside update and security, you have a option recovery. And then here you have reset this PC. Click on get started. Keep my files and remove everything. Make your choice whether you want to keep your files or remove everything. It will remove app settings and keep your personal files. So let me keep my personal files. So you can make a choice. Okay guys, you're gonna read it before you continue. If you do not like it, you can just cancel it. If you wish to continue, click on next. If you want to proceed ahead to reset the PC. Now, read it properly before you continue. If you want to reset, click on reset. Now this is going to take some time. Your PC might restart several times. So wait for this process to complete 100%. Now this might take several minutes and we are all done. Your PC will be all the way ready to use. So finally here is your PC all the way ready to use. You can use it. It's like new. Like newly purchased one, and here you have the removed app. So just click on it and you're gonna show you the list of app that has been removed from your PC. You have to reinstall. So if you like this tutorial, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe and comment. I'll catch you in the next tutorial with another great stuff. Have a good day.